Hi, my name is Ed Nicasio. I'm going to talk a little bit about myself, how I started the company. Back in 1996-97, I was working at a car dealership, and I had a patio where I used to park my snowmobiles. What happened was, it was a brand new patio, the salt deteriorated concrete. So where I was working at the dealership, a friend of mine's kids had a business out of Indiana doing concrete restoration. I called them out to come out, give me a price, and it was half the cost of tearing it out and replacing, and it took 2 days to do. So I figured, hey, if they could do it, I could do it. And from there, my brother and I and my brother-in-law got into the business. We started opening up Concrete Technologies of Chicagoland Incorporated. From that point on, we became a distributor for another manufacturer, which created Elite Concrete Systems Midwest. And now we are a distributor for Citadel products here in the Oak Forest location. We're not just regular salesmen. We've been technical support. We've been installing the products. I've had a union company for doing terrazzo, a union company for doing industrial coatings and residential. We've been around for 28 years. My son Matthew here has been around since he was a little kid, and now he's technical supports and sales. We're here to help you guys out. Make sure you do the product right. We only sell what you need. Give us the square footage, and that's it. My contractors, I treat them as friends. My contractors could always get a hold of me 24/7, 7 days a week. When I'm on vacation, I'm answering my phones. I'm always there for my customers. Without them, business wouldn't be around. You have anything to say, Matt?
It's also important to note that we do have a DBA. We're still under Elite Concrete Systems Midwest, but when we do business, we're under Elite Coating Midwest now. But yeah, I started here at 16 years old, picking up stuff off the shelves, pulling orders, and just worked my way up from there. Here I am 11 years later.
Now we're adding Ardex floor systems, which we are a distributor for them now. We are certified. We're going to be certified in about a week. We are stocking product now. Contractors are already loving it. The thing that's unique about Ardex self-levelers, they are compatible with Citadel floor coatings to go over that. A lot of self-levelers, there's different kinds that you cannot put a coating over it.
Yeah, and we're bringing in Ardex to help the contractors. It's not only about us; it's also about our customers. If our customers aren't successful, we aren't successful. So we're very oriented around that. It's also important to note as well, we do have overlay products as well for stamped concrete through Consolidated Aggregates. And we will be expanding our social media capabilities to actually drive out to any larger jobs that you have, provided you are sticking with the whole Citadel system. We'll drive out, interview you, take photos and videos of the steps as well as the final completed floor, put you on our socials, and give you business so we get business.
I mean, I think being honest to your contractors and helping them out what they need, that's why your customers still follow you. I always answer my phone, so you can call me right now and I'll answer it right away within the first or second ring.
Seriously, while we've been filming, he has been answering his phone.
Yeah.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you ever need anything, feel free to stop on by. We look forward to seeing you.
Is that good?